Chubbs Beats.
Yes guys, thanks for tuning in on another episode of Bam the Petrol Head. And I know it's been a long time, but yeah, I'm back on the camera. And today I got my friend's beautiful M2 and it's my first one on the channel, guys. And obviously this is part one because it's standard right now. He ain't done nothing to it, but guys, this still ain't no joke. Real beautiful ride and it looks beautiful with this view in the back. So guys, stay tuned in. We got lots of bits coming and I hope you all enjoy it, guys. It's gonna be a lit one. Yes, my people. So basically, this is a BMW M2 and it's got the N54 engine in it, as we all know, which is quite a famous engine. It's one of the big ones, if you know what I mean. If you know cars, you'll definitely have heard of it. And I kind of like this, you know. It's one of the new additions to the M family. It is like obviously an M2, so it's kind of mixed with everything. If you look at it, it looks like a bit of everything from a different angle. It's really cool, guys. It's got 365 brake horsepower and 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, 4.5. That's pretty fast if you ask me. And obviously there's lots of fun in them corners, it being wheel-wheel drive. Yeah guys, so this is a kind of great car, especially for the price it's going for. Yes, my people. So as I said before, this car here is completely stock and right now it's only got 343 pounds of torque and 365 brake horsepower, which may not seem like a lot, but for an M car, this is quite a lot considering it's just rear wheel drive. And as I said, it's stock right now. So he's going to be pushing that up and he's trying to tell me he's trying to take it to around 500 bhp. So the part 2 of this episode is going to be a madness, guys. But I'm looking forward to driving around in this M2 and seeing what's all about because, you know, I think BMW done a good job with this one. And as I said, he's going to put all new intercoolers. He might even think about adding a hybrid turbo and lots of other bits. He's going stage 2 or 3 on this. So, guys, you got to stay tuned to part 2. It's going to be crazy. Yes guys, so obviously this is the back of the beautiful BMW M2 and as I said before, this is a mix between like all the BMs. It's a new addition to the family. People a lot do say it looks a lot like the BMW 1 Series Coupe, but honestly to me it does a bit but not too much. The lights are much more different, it's much more wider at the back, and obviously it being an M car, it's got the full exhaust at the back, which is absolutely amazing. So guys, I really do like this one here, but tell us what kind of mods can we add? What type of spoiler should we add to it? Like, you know, leave it in the comments, let us know. And should we go straight pipe on the exhaust? Should we go crazy on it? Let us know what kind of mods we should do so we know. Yeah, just leave it in the comments, guys. Yes guys, so obviously as we did say, the back does look a bit like a 1 Series Coupe, the front doesn't. That's where the comparisons finish here. Like the front of this car is so beefy, I really do love it. Like it does remind me of a 3 Series, but it definitely has its own look, guys. I love the front end, and as I said, what kind of features should we add to it? What kind of mods should we do? What type of splitter? Leave it in the comments, let us know so we know where to go to. And also for the tuning, you know, I know there's a lot of people that do tuning and this and that, but does anyone have any good recommendations that we can go to? Let us know, leave it in the comments, guys. We're literally open to anything right now. So as I said, guys, we're going to do lots of mods on this car here, and there's definitely going to be a part 2 on it. Much more to come from this one. Guys, one of the things we're thinking about doing is a quick acceleration on this one. Like, listen to this. It really sounds crazy, but quick acceleration means when you put your foot down, it's even more sensitive, and that's something we definitely need. This is an absolute beast, guys. You definitely need to stay tuned for this. I'm really loving the inside and the seating position. Maybe we might even get some bigger flappy paddles, you know. Let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes. yo. Wait. Oh my God, Jesus Christ. Wait. Yo. Yes, my people, thank you for watching today's episode with Bam the Petrol Head. And as I said, guys, this is just part one. We're gonna do some crazy mods to this car here. This M2 is gonna go to the moon. We're trying to get this to 500 bhp, guys. So we need you guys to let us know what to do. What mods do you think we should do to this car? Please don't forget to leave it in the comments. And one more thing, all you tuners for these BMWs, hit me up, please, because I need some work done on this. The finest tuners, you not recommend them to me, and let's see what this is about, because we need to get this car tuned up now, because as I said, it's standard and we can't be rolling like that for too long. I hope all you guys enjoyed today's episode and part one, and I hope you're all here for part two, guys. Stay tuned in.